everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Megan. I do sewing, embroidery, and other crafty things, and today's video is all about upcoming items soon coming to Ricoma. So I do want to disclose I am not affiliated at all with Ricoma, even though, as you can see, I have a multi-needle machine here. I purchased it on my own, so I'm not affiliated with them. However, if any of you are watching that are affiliated with Ricoma or work for Ricoma, hit a girl up. But yeah, so since it's kind of the end of the year, I recently got an email from Ricoma that all customers get about upcoming products. So I thought I would kind of talk to you guys about it, especially since I've had such a positive experience with my multi-needle. I thought I would kind of talk about the new items that are coming out, including multiple embroidery machines, a DTG printer, a DTF printer, and a pre-treatment machine. So all sorts of new exciting stuff coming to Ricoma soon. So if you're new to my channel, I have a lovely 15 needle embroidery machine from Ricoma. I've had it about for a year now. Absolutely love this machine. Not sure how big it can get with embroidering, but it can do blankets, it can do shirts, it can do kid shirts, hats, all different sorts of things. So it's a 15 needle embroidery machine. It's the MT1501 embroidery machine. Absolutely loved it. I got it July of last year, so it's been a little over a year since I've had it. But yeah, so since I got that email about upcoming items, and since you all have an interest in embroidery and just crafty things in general, I thought I would make a quick little video to kind of explain all about the new products that are coming soon from Ricoma. And I'll have like a little image onto the side here of what exactly I'm talking about. So first, let me kind of go over the email that I got in general. So here is the email. So it's all these different pictures. They also have a launch video that you can view to about their latest innovations. So like I said, they have new DTF and DTG printers, a new pre-treatment machine, as well as a brand new series of embroidery machines. So they have a lot of options for multi-needles. And then they also have a 2-head embroidery machine and a 3-head embroidery machine, which I did not know there was a 3-head embroidery machine option. So I'm learning new things as well here. So they have all different sorts of new things. So like I said, they sell DTF printers. So that is a direct to film printer. I have a basic sublimation printer. I do not have a DTF or a DTG printer yet. My next goal is to obtain one of those so I can kind of expand my business and of course the videos for you guys here. But a DTF printer, like I said, is a direct to film printer. So you essentially print it on this film and then use a special powder that you can use to adhere to your shirts and stuff. So they kind of explain that it's a 12-inch wide printing powerhouse that can bring vibrant, high-resolution graphics to life. It allows you to print 100 transfers in under an hour. So yeah, that's super exciting. So they have the Revel DTF 4022T and a Revel Duo 1202TA. There we go. So let's kind of talk about what those are. So I just got this exactly off the Ricoma's website. Nothing too crazy. The email that I got had a bunch of helpful links. So it's a start or grow your business with the Revel DTF printer. So only $249 a month with 0% financing up to 72 months. They also include a free flat heat press, which is up to a $950 value, and everything is included. Now, what does that mean, everything is included? That means with the Revel DTF 4020, they include, of course, the transfer printer. They include all different sorts of inks, a purifier to clean around the printer. They also include a 16 by 20 inch auto open flat heat press. So that's really cool that that's included in that packaging. And they also include DTF adhesive powder. So that's kind of that powder that I mentioned that helps the film stick to the garment that you're working with. And then it looks like they also come with some different rolls that you can use to print your designs on. So that's super cool. So that's kind of what that printer is about. So let's get into the DTG printer. So they have a Vision DTG printer. It's a dual head printing powerhouse and features an intuitive high definition touchscreen panel. So that's really cool. It prints at rapid speeds and accommodates both light and dark garments. It can quickly change patterns, simplifying the garment loading process, preventing ink building, and ensuring higher accuracy when printing. So a DTG printer prints directly on the garment versus DTF, where you print it on a film and then you press it to whatever garment you're using. One advantage to DTF versus DTG is that you can actually sell your DTF transfers. I don't know if there's anything such as selling DTG transfers. I've only heard of DTF transfers. So if you're looking to not only press your own garments, but also sell the actual transfers, then a DTF printer might be the best fit for you. Again, I don't have any experience with DTF or DTG. This is all just information that I've learned from other YouTubers. So this is what that looks like. So that is the DTF printer at the top versus the DTG printer. So super cool. And then they're also launching a Sonic Jet pre-treatment machine. So that's what that looks like. It's capable of pre-treating around 100 garments an hour. So you'll also would need to pre-treat your DTG garments. Again, not 100% familiar with all this, but from what I've seen, I watch Angela Jasmina. I know she has a DTG printer. Nita Fajita has a DTF printer, so I've kind of learned from them a little bit. So for DTG, you will have to pre-treat your machines before you actually print it on the garment. That way it'll make sure it sticks to the garment, so then when you wash it multiple times, it won't like just not disintegrate, but kind of fade over time, that sort of a thing. So let's get into the DTG then. So the DTG printer, also $247 a month, 0% financing. You also would be able to get a free flat heat press with that. And they also have people that will help train you, even if it's DTG, embroidery, DTF. They have in-depth training that you can use that will essentially show you how to use these machines. So when I get mine one day, I'll definitely do those trainings to kind of help me learn how to use them accurately so I don't mess anything up. So they have essential bundles, instruction videos, or premium bundles, live online training led by a certified technician. So like I said, both of the DTG and DTF bundles come with a 16 by 20 inch flat heat press. So that's really cool. And then it looks like for DTF, they also send you pre-treatment starter kits. So that's kind of like the spray that you would use to pre-treat your garment. So for DTF and DTG, I believe you can use both cotton and polyester materials. And that's because that pre-treatment that you would use for both material or both machines, it kind of helps your design stick to the shirt and kind of fuse in with the shirt pretty much. And they also give you some shirt samples and some software that's compatible with Mac and PC. So that's DTF and DTG. Like I said, I don't have either of those. Love to have them one day so I can learn and teach you guys. But I thought it would kind of let you know about new options coming here to Ricoma very soon. So they mentioned in the email that many of these items are coming out December 1st, and some are coming out November 1st. Now, from what I've seen, at least for the embroidery machines, the majority of these are coming out November 1st. So they're coming out very soon, so that's super exciting. So then let's move on to the fun part, which is embroidery machines. So they are coming out with multiple single head embroidery machines. I think that's what it's called. And then they also have 2 head embroidery machine and a triple head embroidery machine. So that's super cool. So we're gonna go now into all of the different embroidery machines that they're coming out with. Particularly, we'll talk about the single needles first, and then kind of go to the doubles, and then the triple head embroidery machine. So first is the Swift. Again, I'll include an image to the side here. So it is a single head commercial embroidery machine. So this one is 15 needle embroidery machine. Its precision and speed are the core of its design, making it the go-to choice for savvy entrepreneurs looking to customize creations into profits. So this one you can actually pre-order now, and it'll be available on November 1st. I'm posting this video a few days before Halloween, which is on a Tuesday. So I'll probably post this today, which is Sunday. So if you're watching this in real time, they'll come out Wednesday, November 1st. So that's super exciting. So I guess you guys don't have to pre-order then unless you want to. Don't know how that works exactly, but so that's that embroidery machine. There's the Marquis 2001. So that's also a single head embroidery machine. This one has 20 needles, so that's super cool. Let's see, it has one of the largest clearance areas in the industry, making it easy to expand your business's product offerings with bulky, oversized items like bags, jackets, and much more. So it sounds like if you kind of want a more versatile embroidery machine that can do all sorts of things, it sounds like this one is for you. And this one's also available on November 1st, and it includes a fully responsive 10.1 inch high definition touchscreen panel. So that's really cool. For my Ricoma, as you can see, I have a little touchscreen, but that'll be a really nice and big touchscreen. So that's super cool. So again, picture on the side here. Then we have the SWD 1501 10S embroidery machine. So again, this one is also available on November 1st. I believe all the embroidery machines are. So it has a very large embroidery area. It's a 50 needle commercial embroidery machine. So again, this one will also allow you to embroider larger items like bags, jackets, tablecloths. And then you can also use it for like shirts, polos, caps, those sorts of things. So that's another embroidery machine coming out. So overall, they have 3 multi-needle single head embroidery machines. And then now we can get into the double head embroidery machines. So the first is the Marquis 2002 embroidery. It's a 2-head embroidery machine, so you can work on 2 orders, I guess, at once. So that's super cool. Let's see, it's designed with a larger sewing field and a compact sewing arm. It lets you effortlessly embroider colorful designs on both small and bulky items, while the 2-head allows you to take on batch orders like a pro, cutting production time in half on caps, bags, towels, jackets, and more. And then this one also has that 10.1 inch high definition touchscreen panel. And this one's also available on November 1st. Lastly, they have the 3-head embroidery machine. So that is super cool. So it's the Marquis 2003. So again, it's a 3-head embroidery machine. It has 320 needles and the industry's first fully responsive 10-inch high definition touchscreen panel for seamless production. So again, from small to bulky items, you can conquer all you want with this machine. So you can pre-order that now. Again, also available on November 1st. So lots of super exciting things coming to Ricoma very soon. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I just thought, hey, since you guys are interested in embroidery and crafty things, why not tell you all about the embroidery and crafty things coming to Ricoma? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Sorry the camera angle's weird. I didn't think I'd be down this low. But anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend if you're watching on the weekend. If it's during the week, I hope you have a fantastic week. And please consider subscribing if you have not already. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.